Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there is no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the ice bucket in an LG refrigerator. It's going to be an extremely easy repair. Should only take a minute or two to show you how to do it. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new ice bucket. The ice bucket is used for collecting the ice cubes made by the ice maker. The main reason why it would need to be replaced is if it's cracked or missing. To get to the part, we need to open the freezer door. Pull out and remove the old ice bucket. This is the old ice bucket next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. Place the ice bucket on a drawer and push it back. Make sure the bucket is directly under the ice maker. Close the freezer door. And plug the fridge in. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other repair videos available on our site, on Facebook, and on YouTube.